Hello. Recently, with all the Thanksgiving and holiday sales starting, many students are asking about signs like shopping, store, sell, and a few others. I'm going to show you the differences so you don't mix these up. First, three signs that are similar: money, buy, and shopping or shop. These three use this hand shape, the flat O, on the opposite palm. That hand shape is like you're holding money, right? And the other hand is your hand, and you're putting money there. Money. Money. It's like you're taking your wallet and putting it in your hand. Money. The second sign, buy. Buy. Now, it's like you're taking your money and giving it to someone else. Buy. Buy. And it tends to be signed either like that, buy with a little bit of an arc, or buy, to buy something or bought something. Same thing. Both use your money from your hand given elsewhere. Buy. The third sign here is if you buy again and again and again, what are you doing? Shopping. Shop. Shopping. It's like you're going to different stores and buying there and there and there. Shopping. So again, we have money, buy, shop, shopping. Now, where do you shop? A store. So now there are three different words. Are you ready? The first word, sell. Sell. It's like someone's holding up a paper banner, a sign, and holding it, maybe saying someone trying to get you to come to their store. Sell. Sell. It's similar to other signs where sometimes they're not held up here, they're lower. Sell. Same thing. Sell, sell. One movement outward. And that's it. Sell. The second sign, store. So now it's like the sign sell. Again, it's duplicated. Means store. Store. It can also mean shop as a noun, like a shop. But as a verb, shop is still like shopping. Store. Store. Your favorite store is what? Store. The third sign, sale, meaning the price is reduced, you can sign a few ways. Um, the first one, you can fingerspell S-A-L-E, sale. That's common. Sale. A second way to sign this is price reduced. So again, price or cost is the X hand shape and the flat palm. Price or cost reduced. The index fingers show the price going down. Price reduced or price reduction. A third way to sign this, sometimes I've seen the sign sell or as sale, like, oh, a good sale there. Most common that I've seen is actually finger spelling, S-A-L-E, but it's common to see these others as well. Cost reduced, sale. Let's review your new signs. This year, I plan to shop how? Online. Happy shopping! Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell. Ready for more? Check out my beginner ASL online course.